Hey fellow wanderers, Restless Wanderer here. Here's a quick video showing some of the scavengers found in the Ohio River Valley, northern Kentucky area. I found this deer carcass, well my nose found it, and decided to set up a game cam to see what would come around. As you can see, it was pretty decomposed by the time I set up. It was also sitting in a deep gully, so unfortunately I was not able to mount the cam with a shot of both the carcass and the surrounding area. Here is the shot I ended up with. The info bar along the bottom shows the camera manufacturer, the air temperature and barometric pressure, the name of the camera, and the timestamp. It was late spring when I filmed this. I should mention that I grouped the footage by animal rather than chronological order. So our first comer is the turkey vulture. Usually you see multiple turkey vultures circling in the air over a kill, but here is a single bird coming in to feed. I never really paid much attention to these birds, but apparently they migrate. The yellow area here is their summer range. Another thing I found out while researching is that they find their food both by sight and a keen sense of smell. In this shot, you see an oversized nostril which allows them to home in on the decay gases coming off of the carcass. Our next critter first shows up in the corner here. My camera, when triggered by movement, takes a photo and then video. In the video here, we see it turns out to be a northeastern coyote. The coyote is pretty common around here and not a surprise. It showed up in one of my other videos taken during the winter. He comes back a few more times during this period, but there probably wasn't much to feed on. Here's a random passerby. No game cam footage would be complete without the battery and memory wasting squirrels. Thanks for wasting both. The last clip is catching a huge storm that passed through the area. It caused a lot of flooding in the region, and whatever was left in the gully got washed away that day. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe. I also have a second channel, FlySubs89, which is more related to aviation. So if you love everything about flying, go check it out. Links are below and in the description. Thanks and have a great day.